the skies turn gray and the clouds spill their secrets, there's a melody in the raindrops, a rhythm so discreet. It's the dance of the heavens, a symphony so sweet. The heart of the storm where happiness and mysteries meet. Happiness in the rain, washing away the pain. Every drop's a note in life's grand refrain. Joyful mysteries in every splash they hide. In the downpour of life, let's enjoy the ride. With each puddle's reflection, a story untold of the joyful mysteries and memories of old. The rain's gentle touch, a comforting embrace. In the liquid sunshine we find our happy place. So let's step outside, no need for an umbrella. The rain's our canvas and we're the storytellers. Splashing in the wonder, let's make a joyful day. In the rainfall's chorus where happiness begins. Happiness in the rain, it's a feeling we can't fake. Every drop's a verse in nature's grand campaign. Joyful mysteries in the storm's mighty swell.